Hey YouTube. Okay, today we are going to be making instant boba tea. Okay. Side note, I'm obsessed with boba tea. Tara is I pronounce it Tara. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it is my favorite flavor when it comes to boba tea. And I saw this at Marshall's and I had to get it and I want to see if it works. So we're going to find out together. This is going to be an experiment with us, okay? So welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hey, I review things and today I will be reviewing this. Hopefully it works, okay? So let's go. Let's get it. Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. All right, so first things first. This is the side of the box. Instead of the kit, it tells you about yada yada yada. I paid $7.99 for this. Once again, Marshall's. It's saying all the good stuff. It says ready to drink in 1 minute. We will be testing that today, okay? So now this is the good stuff. Right over here, this is the section we're going to be focusing on today. So quick serving instructions. So it says open up a pack of milk tea powder and pour it into a cup of approximately 100 milliliters, 5 ounces, hot water. Stir till it dissolves. Open the packets of pearls, which is the bubbles. The little, and add into the cup. Heat up with bubble tea for 45 seconds. At 701 microwave. Cup can get very hot. Pour the bubble tea into the glass and add approximately. All right, so this is a lot of mathing. Okay, so after reading the instructions, basically what we're going to be doing is we are going to open up the packet. I'm going to show you everything that's inside. I'm just trying to get over how to do this first. The packet. And then we're going to add some hot water. And then we're going to stir it. We have to add it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then we take it out. And it's supposed to be drinkable, but it's going to be hot, obviously. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some ice. So, yeah. Let's open up this baby, shall we? Okay. Okay. So, this is the milk tea powder. Okay. And these are the bibbies. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which it did say on the packet that you do get 5 packs. But I'm from New York and we double check everything. So yeah, these is 5. And it's nice. You get the little bubble tea straws. But you should have gave us the cups to go with it. That would have been nice. But anyway, whatever. Beggars can't be choosers. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a cup. I'm going to be using my Panama cup that I got from Panama. Shout out to Panama. So now we are going to add the packet. And this is how it looks inside. Let me smell it. It smells good. It smells like cookies. Yeah. I know I sound crazy. I know what this sounds like. But this smells like cookies, y'all. I'm not bugging out. Okay, so that's the amount of water we're going to be putting into here. I'm going to add the hot water. Rolling. Okay, so now we want to give that a nice little stir right there. Alright, and now we're going to open up these babies because it says to throw them in there and then you add it to the microwave. I'm just curious to see how this is going to taste because one thing about me, I love me some boba tea. This thing is like, it's literally like candy, like stuck in a packet. Like, come on. It's literally like candy stuck in a packet. Like, come on. Alright. I wanted to give it a nice stir to separate it. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Alright, we're back. Now, if you're watching this, can you please explain to me why I have to put this in the microwave? After I done boiled the water already? Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. But, alright, so when it comes to ice cubes, we're just going to eyeball this because it's staying a certain measurements, but I don't know the measurements of ice cubes. Okay. So we're just going to eyeball this part. So I put about 6 ice cubes. And as you can see, it's melting quick because it's hot. This thing is hot. Tasting time. Let's do this. Alright, let's taste it. It's not bad. It's alright. From 1 to 10, I give it like a 6. Not that it's bad, it's just that it doesn't taste like the bubble tea that I'm normally used to, so I don't know. I give it a 6. It's not bad though. Like, you have to try it for yourself to make a fair judgment. Would I recommend it? No. I wouldn't recommend it. Like, that sounds so bad, but I promise you it's not that bad. It's just I'm very picky when it comes to things like this. So I feel like it's more of a me than this actually. But yeah. Let me try one of the pearls. Yeah, I don't like it. It makes me want to go out and get bubble tea. So yeah. It's fun for something to try. $7.99. You can't beat it. You get 5 of these, you know. Yeah. So, listen, guys. We experimented. We did the thing. And I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want to go out and buy it, go ahead. Do your thing. Ain't no thing but chicken wing, okay? But thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you guys always. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let's cheerio to another video.